out of dress, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Alright, so disclaimer, this video is not for the men's. So if you are not interested in menstruating products, you might as well go ahead and scroll. If you are though, feel free to stay. So this month I am volunteering as tribute. I have recently realized that I no longer want to try and use pads and tampons. So I have moved over to disc. And the brand in question that I've decided to go with is Pixie Disc. So I ordered the Pixie Disc Kit off of Amazon, and I'm going to show you guys what comes in it. There's this little sanitizing bowl thing for the disc. It has a top, you put the disc in. The kit itself also comes with 2 sizes. This is the large. I'll show you the large. This is the large. And you see it comes with a little pouch. And then there's a small. This is the small. So these are the discs. And you see it has a little tail. And like I said, you sterilize them in this little thing. You boil water in it. Well, you put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes with the disc, and it doesn't stain. So what else is in here? Feminine wipes. They also added lube. This is, you put the lube on the disc to help slide it in. A gel cleanser, so a feminine wash. Stain remover for the disc. On the go dust sanitizer, so you can just put it in some water and sanitize it on the go. And this little file, because remember I showed you the little string on the end? So this can be cut off. And when you cut it off, because this is how you can pull it out, you just use this to trim it. So, yeah, so this month, oh, how could I forget? It also comes with an applicator. I'm not showing y'all the applicator right now because I'm actually getting ready to go ahead and do the tribute. But I will let you guys know how this goes. I'm really excited. I've never been this excited for, I'm lying, I'm always excited to try a new product. I have an impulsive spending problem. But I'm really excited to try this product out and let Pixie Disc know how I like it. I also have the size medium, which is the size that I'll be trying today. I say a lot. All right, so I went ahead and did the tribute. I will let you guys know how it goes. I don't feel it. It was easy to put in. I think I found the pubic bone. It's the anatomy part that's really getting with me, but we'll figure it out. They say it's a learning curve, but I'm determined to figure it out. So, like, even if I got to go to the OB and be like, hey, show me, please. And don't use the little body uterus thing with the start. Don't use that, okay? Give me another way to show me, because that's not working. I've seen videos with that. It's not working. But anyway, so yeah, I'll keep y'all posted on how it goes. I'm going to tag Pixie Disc so you guys can, you know, go to their page, explore. But yeah, this is the journey that I'm on, and come with me. As y'all see, I'm on a lot of journeys. So yeah, come on.